Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix WhatsApp not working on PC or laptop. So you're trying to open your WhatsApp or it's not responding. There are a lot of glitches while opening the WhatsApp. Then this tutorial is for you. So click on the start icon and then go to settings. Now the reason why WhatsApp is not working could be a corruption. So we are going to fix the corruption if there is any bug that can be fixed. So once you're here, we will go to apps and then we will go to installed apps. Now we will search for WhatsApp and you will find if it's installed, you will find right there. And you can see the size which is occupying in the computer. Now we will click on these three dots and then we will go to advanced options. Now the background app permissions, if you have not given the permission, you can give it. I have not given it, but it still works for me. You can also run at login. So if you want to make it at the startup item, you can turn on. So the moment when you restart the computer, your WhatsApp will be also turned on. Now scroll down and here you have this reset and repair. So if this app isn't working, the WhatsApp not working, we can try to repair it and the app's data won't be affected. So you just need to click on repair. It should not take more than 30 to 50 seconds, depends on the corruption or problem, and then try to open it. If it's working well and good, else restart the computer. Okay, you can try that. And the next thing which you can do is you can simply click on reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you click on reset, then you need to log into your WhatsApp again, and then it should work. And if it's still not working, then you just need to uninstall it and then go to the Microsoft Store and search for the WhatsApp. And you can simply install it from here. Okay, so these are the steps which you can do. Let me know which step has fixed your problem, and I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.